How to fix HBO Max app crashing. So to fix the HBO Max, also now called Max app crashing on your phone, what you can do is restart your phone. Turn your phone off, wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Now the next what you can do is check your internet connection. Just swipe down the control center from the top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection, or you can just open the app profile settings, sign out and then log back in. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the HBO Max app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap an update to get the latest version. Now if you are an Android device, go to settings, then go to apps and then find Max or HBO Max, then go to its storage and then tap clear cache at the bottom right. Now if you are an iOS device, what you can do is go to your iOS settings, then tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage, then find HBO Max from the list or tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for HBO Max, then tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button here. Simply tap on it or just go to your Apple App Store, find the HBO Max and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.